Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw by the title, today we're going to be talking about this limited edition Curlsmith Hydrating Hair Mask that they surprised us with. So as you see, my curls definitely need some hydration. So it's a perfect time for me to review this mask. I did purchase this mask with my own money, and I wanted to let you guys know that for every hydrating hair mask sold, Curlsmith is going to be donating $1 to the Hygiene Bank and to the Project Beauty Share, and basically those help families suffering from hygiene poverty. So I thought that was pretty cool. So if you've been wondering how this hydrating hair mask compares to the other deep conditioners that Curlsmith has, I wanted to show you guys just a texture shot so you can see the consistency of the difference. And don't forget that Curlsmith also has all of the ingredients on their website. They also have their multitasking conditioner, which can also be a deep conditioner. So I wanted to go ahead and compare that for you guys too. And as you see, this conditioner is way thinner than the other deep conditioners. So the hydrating hair mask is also sulfate, silicone, paraben free, just like all of the other products. And like I said, you can go to the Curlsmith website, check out all those ingredients, and even click those ingredients to see the benefits of each one. The directions say to follow your regular wash routine, so I went ahead and cleansed and conditioned my hair, rinsed that out, wet plopped, and I'll have a video linked all about wet plopping, and I'll have all the other products that I use linked down below. So I went ahead and started off with a nice little spoonful of this hydrating hair mask, and this is just another way for you guys to see the consistency of this mask. I will say I personally love the thickness of it, but as you see, it just melts right into your hands, and like I said, it smells amazing. In comparison, I would say it smells very similar to their co-wash. So I went ahead and applied that to my hair. And as you see, it just goes right on. It smooths in. I love the slippery feeling that it gives. And my hair felt super hydrated almost instantly. So here I'm just brushing it in because I really wanted to make sure that I got maximum benefits. And because I have this new blonde, my hair sometimes gets a little tangled. And my nails kind of get in the way of finger detangling. So the brush comes in handy. So I will say that this is a very lightweight mask, and it definitely has easily become my favorite Curlsmith mask, and I'm kind of sad that it is limited edition. But I will say that because it contains shea butter in the ingredients, I would recommend that if this becomes a mask that you use consistently weekly, to make sure that you're also shampooing versus co-washing, because sometimes shea butter can build up on our hair. As you see, I went ahead and curl trained, and I will have a video linked for anyone who does not know what that is. And after I let that sit, I rinsed it out. I left just a very small amount. You see that in my wet plop. You see that milky consistency. And then I went ahead and styled as usual. I will have everything that I used to style down below. And here, I just wanted to show you guys that I kind of let my hair like rest as I did my makeup before I go in and pick it. And so then I went ahead and picked my roots for my final results. And like I said, I recently got some more blonde, so my hair has been a little dry, and this mask delivered the hydration that I need. Definitely favorite mask. Curlsmith, please. It doesn't need to be limited edition. We need it forever. I'll have my affiliate link down below for you guys to use if you want to get your hands on this mask. I also have a discount code for you. And this is just a reminder of what I started with. And this was later on that day. I just wanted you guys to see my curls because they just looked so amazing. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think below, and I'll see you later.